front of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. Start by opening settings and choosing apps and notifications. Now choose notifications, scroll down, tap on see all from last 7 days and click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications, like Google Play Store. As you can see, all notifications from Play Store are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher, but you can always just tap on one of your apps instead and click on this switcher over here to manage all notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!